Are you tired of constantly buying green onions only to have them wilt and go bad in your fridge? Today, I'm going to show you one of the oldest, simplest and most effective kitchen tricks. How to grow an endless supply of fresh scallions right on your windowsill, without any soil or complicated setup. This is a game changer for reducing food waste and keeping fresh ingredients on hand. The whole process starts with the part you usually throw away, the white root ends. When you use your green onions for cooking, save the bottom 1.5 inch of the white bulb, making sure those small wispy roots are still attached. These roots are the key to unlocking perpetual growth. For the setup, all you need is a small glass jar or a clear plastic cup. Place your saved root ends into the container, roots down. Now, add enough plain tap water to cover the roots and the very bottom of the white bulb. It's crucial not to submerge the entire bulb. You just want the roots drinking up the water. If the whole bulb is covered, it's much more likely to rot, and nobody wants smelly, mushy onions on their counter. Once they're set up, find the brightest spot in your kitchen. A sunny windowsill is perfect. Green onions thrive on light, and you'll be amazed at how quickly they start to bounce back. Within just 24 to 48 hours, you'll see new, bright green shoots emerging from the center of the cuts. It's truly a rewarding sight. The single most important rule for success is water maintenance. You must change the water every 1 to 3 days. This is non-negotiable. So remember, fresh water, and it quickly builds up bacteria, which leads to rot. Stale water doesn't have the oxygen the roots need. Now for the best part, the harvest. Every few days, and maybe even a quick rinse of the roots when you change it. When the new green growth reaches about 6 inches tall, or whatever size you need for your recipe, don't pull the plant out. Instead, use clean kitchen scissors to snip off what you need. Leave about 1 inch of the green growth above the original white bulb, photosynthesizing and gather the energy it. This small section allows the plant to continue. Needs to regrow again. You can harvest from the same bulb multiple times, often 3, 4, or even 5 cycles before it starts to look tired and soft. Once it's exhausted, simply toss that bulb and start a new one from your next batch. By staggering your planting, you can ensure you always have fresh, crisp green onions ready for every meal. This simple kitchen trick saves you money, cuts down on food waste, and gives you the satisfaction of growing your own food year-round. Give it a shot and prepare to be amazed by your endless supply of fresh scallions.